Hey, this is the demo for the Fable Google Docs add-on. Our add-on syncs user stories in your Google Docs spec with Jira. Let's see how it works. I'm working on a spec here. I've created a background section and I've started to create some user stories. I've created these stories in a table that I set up with Fable. I haven't synced them to Jira yet though. To do that, I just hit this push button. So let me do that now. Once that's working, it'll create tickets on Jira for each of these stories, and it'll link back to those tickets directly in your Google Docs spec. And you'll see that in just a second here. There we go. So now we got tickets created for both of these issues. And I can go into Jira and look at these tickets. We could also edit these tickets directly in Jira. So let's say, edit it here. And then we can also add a bullet in here. Let's say, make sure this is very easy for users. Let's hit save. Now when we come back here and we hit pull, you'll see that the story is updated based on those changes that were made in Jira. There we go. We got edited here and we got this bullet down here. A new feature that we added recently is the ability to add multiple tables. We know that PMs are often creating tables, multiple user story tables in a document, especially for a complex spec. So let's call this the section for multiple tables. Now I just hit this add table button here, and it'll drop in a table for us to create user stories for this new section. Let's say, as a user, I can create multiple tables. The description is optional. Now for the sake of this demo, let's come back up here and say, edited in Docs for this story. Notice that this one already has a ticket on Jira. This one doesn't. So let's see what happens when we hit push now. In a second, you'll see that a new ticket is created for this story, whereas this one, it's just updated based on the changes that we just made to that ticket. So we'll see that in just a sec as our Jira API comes back to us. There we go. So now this one is a new story. And when you come back to this story and we look at it on Jira, you should see edited in Docs on that ticket. There we go. So that's the demo. Thanks.